Here we are going in SketchUp again. We're coming to the point where we have to print our car out and get that all done. So first thing we have to do is we're going to save our picture of our car in this 3D format. Of course you have your wheels on, and we're going to save a PNG or portable network graphic file. So I'm going to go File, or first of all we got to get it set up. So you're going to want to click on ISO with wheels and click on Zoom Extent so it gets everything on the screen. And then you squish your window down, click Zoom Extents, and then you can squish your window down this way so it's just your car on the screen. Then we're going to go File, Export, 2D Graphic, and I'm going to call it my hour, login, and then CO2 car 1 or 2 depending on which one this is. Portable network graphics, options, you want to make sure transparent background is checked, and you'll also hit use view size and hit OK. And you're going to hit export, and it's going to put it on your desktop. Then we have to do our ortho printing. So I'm going to go to ortho printing. If you have a style or a background on here that you want to get rid of, you can just go to your styles windows, go to default styles, and click on this one here called X-ray. Or you can click on this one here called shaded. Shaded with texture is basically X-ray. Any of these styles will work just to get that picture out of the background. Then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to squeeze our window, hit Zoom Extents, and then we can stretch our window out. And we're going to go File, Page Setup, change it so it says US Legal, in paper size. And in orientation, you want to click the one on the right, which is the guy sideways, which is landscape. And you're going to hit OK. Then File, Document Setup. You just want to make sure it says in drawing and in model. Where it says print scale, it should say 1 to 1. If it doesn't, you're going to have to change it. Hit 1 there. And click up so it does say 1 to 1, and it should say 1 page. If it doesn't say 1 page, there's something wrong with your zooming, or you didn't do that last step of page size, page setup. And you go File, Print. Yours is going to come up, and you want to pick on RMS Tech Lab. Click on the drop down arrow, and you should see it full size here. Should be nice, should say 1 of 1, I'm checking right here. The quality can be standard, you don't have to change that. And we can print it from there. And it should go to the tech lab, and then you can pick it up from in the office. And that's how you get those printing done. What you want to have done is this done, the exporting the 2D graphics on both cars, and then the ortho printing only on the car you're actually going to build. And you are done with printing.